Hello YouTube, this is Josh T 1603 and I am here to give you a review of the Vizio surround soundbar. Now, it's just a little over 3 feet. Here's my arm length. That's about 3 feet, and it's pretty long too. It's got a nice Vizio logo in the front. And if you turn on top here, it's got a power button, an input button, a volume up and down, and a mute button. And you can hang these on the wall from the bottom. On the bottom of it, you can take this screw off, this screw right here off, right here, and turn it upside down, and it goes on a wall like that. But I got mine laying from my TV, so now on the back it don't got no HDMI cable output, but it's alright. But it comes with the red and white audio components, and also comes with a plug-in subwoofer if you get it separate. And it's, as you can tell, it's pretty shiny. I can't fit this whole soundbar on screen because it's so big. And it gives you surround sound, like when you play video games. Yeah, surround sound's pretty good. Now it sounds like a lot of treble in it. It has like a lot of treble and bass in it too. So it gives you a single. It comes with a single cable connection to your HD TV. Standing wall mount brackets included, and I'm going to give you a little preview of it and let you see the difference for yourself, if you can tell. So yeah,